Jack is at home after school. He's ready to begin his homework, so he takes out his iPad and opens the Kinectus app. On his My Classes page, he goes to biology. He sees that he's partway through completing the gel electrophoresis module. He reads the brief recap of the module and continues. Reading the information on the right of the screen, he taps into the electrophoresis box. He then connects the power cords to their corresponding ports and sets the timer. Seeing that the module has progressed to step 4, Jack pinches the screen to zoom back out to the full lab view. He drags the gel into the staining tray as instructed. Jack then proceeds to stain the gel and set the timer. At this point, he is unsure how to proceed, not knowing how he is meant to dispose of the staining liquid. He taps the questions button. This overlays the screen with the questions that some of his fellow classmates have asked at the same step in this process. After reading Jenny's question, he taps the exclamation point icon to indicate that he too had the same question. He then swipes down from the responses icon to reveal the answers the other students have given. Seeing the answers to this question, he now knows what to do. He zooms back out to the lab view to dump the tray into the sink. Jack then moves on to the light box, where he reveals the length of the DNA fragments. When he gets to the analyze stage, he is once again confused. This time, when he opens the questions, none of the questions already asked apply to his concerns. Jack taps the compose button to create his own question for this step. He chooses to send his question to his biology teacher, as well as 2 of his classmates, Jenny and Dustin. He then writes out his question and sends it off. He also takes the time to position the question on the screen in relation to what the question is about. After receiving a response, he is better prepared to complete the analysis. He then moves on to the final assessment and completes the module. He appreciates receiving immediate feedback about his strengths and weaknesses from the module and is informed that a new task has been added to his assignments list. He returns to his class page.